Come on, y'all, let's get into this cut. I had already started the cut, but I'm just gonna show y'all where I left off at. But I'm using my 2-guard right now on these new clippers I got off TikTok. They sent me. They some nice clippers, but I'm using my 2-guard clothes, and I'm kind of like cleaning up the surface before I start fading the hair. So now I'm using the clippers clothes. I'm setting that first guideline. He want like a drop fade, mid fade. So yeah, kind of cleaning it up, making that first line all the way around. Now I got them all the way open, setting that second guide, going up about 1 inch, which is equivalent to a 1. Now I'm using my 1.5 guard closed, and I'm going up about 1.5 inches, kind of like debulking some of that fade so I can see what else I'm gonna have to work with. So I tried something different on this side. I'm going in with my blades on my Octanes. I got my 1A on right now, and I'm hitting right above where I did that second line at with my 1. Kind of fading into the top of the hair. And then I came back with my 1.5 and went a little bit higher in a flicking out motion. So I don't raise that guideline higher. Now I'm starting my C-cup. Cleaning the surface of the hair. Just cleaning it up around the C-cup. Y'all know I love going in with that pencil though, so yeah. Basically tracing that C-cup with the white pencil. Make sure you blend it in now. And this is after I blended it in. Now I'm gonna go in with my thinning shears. Kind of like texturize that top. Now I'm gonna go in with some product using that salt spray. Now I'm gonna go ahead and style it a little bit. Now I'm coming in with the styling powder. And this is the finishing touch. Y'all let me know how I did.